Cold fermentation, also known as cold proofing or retardation, is a method used in sourdough baking where the dough is fermented at a lower temperature for an extended period of time, typically in the refrigerator. This process slows down the activity of yeast and bacteria in the sourdough starter, allowing for a longer, more controlled fermentation period. There are several benefits to cold fermentation in sourdough baking. Number 1 is flavor development. Cold fermentation allows for a more gradual fermentation process, which enhances the development of complex flavors in the bread. The extended fermentation allows for the production of additional flavor compounds, resulting in a richer, more nuanced taste. Number 2 is improved texture. The slow fermentation process during cold proofing helps to strengthen the gluten structure in the dough, leading to a better dough elasticity and a more desirable crumb texture in the final bread. This results in a bread with a chewier crust and a softer, more open crumb. Number 3 is increased convenience and flexibility. Cold fermentation allows bakers to work within their own schedules. By fermenting the dough in the refrigerator overnight or for an extended period of time, bakers can better control when the bread is baked, making it easier to fit sourdough baking into busy lifestyles, so you can fit that latest TikTok craze in before it goes viral. Number 4, better digestibility. Some individuals find that breads made with cold fermentation are easier to digest compared to breads made with short fermentation times. The longer fermentation process breaks down gluten and certain carbohydrates in the flour, making it more digestible for some people. Overall, cold fermentation is a valuable technique in sourdough baking that can lead to bread with enhanced flavor, texture, and digestibility. It's worth experimenting with for those looking to elevate their sourdough baking game. And of course, for any sourdough starters, aprons or kits, please visit www.nottingham.farm.